Hey everybody, got some more Hot Wheels to get opened up. Got this case in here, and then these smaller specialized cars. I can't remember which release these are, but I'll put them in the title once I get it up and going. Let's just hop right in here and see what we got. We'll save that one for last because they're more of a specialized release. These are all pretty new. I just got these from my distributor. So listen here, I had a couple of these come in. They've been sitting for a little bit, so they may not be the newest, hottest thing going, but they're pretty new for right now. But we'll just see what cars we get out of here. I'll see if I can find the treasure hunt, which I have a hard time doing since they've changed them. They're just not as easy to see anymore. There's a pretty unusual looking Batman car there. Let's see if I can get this other light going over here. Hang on just a second. Make it a little bit better maybe. Yeah, so that's a neat looking Batman animated series car. There's a Baja or Rally Special. If you guys spot the treasure hunt and I don't see it or something, just list it down below for me. I'd appreciate it. It makes it a little easier on me. I don't open these every day, so they're so much different than they were since I've been doing them. I wish Hot Wheels would just stay to some kind of a designated number release series, so it makes them a little bit easier. I have to look them all up online to find the super treasure. I wish they'd just put something that sticks out way more, but it's just the way it is. Couple neat ones there. The Audi Avante or Avant. And I really like these series here, these groom cars. That's a neat looking car. Another one of those laying lowriders. Another one of those Rally Specials. Land Rover series. That's a weird looking car. Oh, it's got the windshield folded down on it. Pretty cool. Neat little throwback car. Pontiac Aztec. Pagania Utopia. The new car for $24 it says. Dragster. I don't know about them tires. Probably not very good. 73 Jeep. Like the graphics on that. I have a Gladiator, so I kind of like that. Pterotractylon. Porsche Carrera. Like I said, I'm not really looking for the super treasure hunt. I'm just going to try and get through these cars, and if I spot it, that's good. Otherwise, somebody let me know. I'll have to look it up probably. SVO. Nissan. That's a good looking car. Not really a big fan of Nissans, but some of those race versions are pretty cool. NSX. Neat 90s car. Chrysler Pacifica. Boom car. Look at that thing. Probably don't want to be riding on it when that goes off. It's a neat car. Old Formula 1 car. Lotus. Surf Duty. Another Acura. Couple of those now. Tacoma with mud on the tires. Track-de-Wagon. I'm not really a big fan of that fuchsia pink color. Another pink Dodge is kind of not really a good color, but whatever. Jaguar F-Type. Good old Volkswagen Bumblebee car. Transformer version. I don't think that it transforms or anything. Just got the emblem on the hood. Another Begonia. Another one of those Nissans. Formula E electric car, I guess. Friendship Ray 24/7. What is this thing? Rink Racer. That's a neat truck or van. Double decker. They've been making that casting for a long time. Another Batman. Well, I haven't seen any treasure hunts stick out yet, but I wasn't really looking at the first, so I'll try to look a little harder. There's Chevrolet Silverado. It's pretty neat. Another Aztec. We got here limited grip Rod Squad car, twin turbo. Lamborghini. That's a neat Tankinator. Been making that for a while too. Another Bumblebee. Got here a Porsche Carrera. 90s car. Bugatti. Neat looking car. Not really big on that paint. Koenigsegg. I can't ever pronounce their name. That's a neat car though. They don't make very many of them. Real life. Kind of a few one-offs. Truck to Wagon again. Diora 2, been making that casting for a long time. We got here a motorcycle Ducati with mud on the tires. Glad they're making the motorcycles again. BMW, not really good on that color. 80s color, I guess. 911 Turbo with a weird top on it. Tuned out version. Tankinator. Police. Porsche. Is that what that is? Yeah, Mazda. Another one of those Bugattis. Five-alarm fire truck. Beach Patrol. Another E-car. Another Land Rover. Another Formula One car. Throwback 67 version. Dragtor. Tater. Like Tater better. What we got here? Kowloon Hypervan. Like some kind of transport truck, probably in Japan, it looks like. Guess it could be China. I'm not for sure on the logos that are on it. There's a neat car, 77 Pontiac Firebird. Mustang funny car. Art car. Another Batman car. This is neat looking. Mazda 787B. Like that one. What have we got here? Flipping Fast track car, it looks like. Another Volkswagen ID. Those things, people really like those. I sell those pretty quick. Maverick Ford. Another one of those Kowloon. And what we got there? A Shelby Cobra. That thing's cool looking. 427. Finally getting some neat looking cars. Another one of those Cohen Sigs. Got here 92 Ford Mustang. Pretty cool. That's it out of this box. I never did see the treasure hunt, if there is one. Surely there is. Let's open up this little mini box of 8 here that I have. See what was released in this. Most of these cars are on my eBay store, so if you guys are interested, I'll have the link down below. Check that out. Some of them go in my collection, as you can see on the wall behind me there. What do we got here? Racerverse Stitch from Disney. I don't really know that cartoon. It's kind of out of my age group. They don't have kids that young or nothing. Jack Skellington. That's a neat looking car. Cards are kind of being up on the side. It's like they could make just a little bit bigger box. There's a Wolverine car. And what we got here? Mona. I don't know why they put these little platforms on there, what that's all about. Looks like it's part of the track. Must be all those Disney animated series characters. Different movies they've done. Thanos car. We got here, I like that, Mike Wazowski. Monsters Inc. And the last one, it's Rocket from Guardians. Okay, that's all I got on this video. I got some more to get opened up, and I'll be releasing those out on YouTube here pretty quick. If you like anything, please check out our eBay store. I really appreciate it. Alright, we'll catch you on the next one.